This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the panic button on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. The Opera GX panic button is activated by pressing the F12 key. It is a privacy feature designed to instantly hide, mute, and pause all active browser tabs, replacing them with safe or bland content. It acts as a quick cover-up for embarrassing, not safe for work content, preventing it from being seen by others. It can be reversed by pressing the F12 key again. If I press the F12 key, you'll see my 3 browser tabs up there will disappear, and it gets replaced by basically a random page. This is Steam. If I press the F12 key again, my 3 browser tabs will return. To activate it or deactivate it within settings, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Now on the settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says GX Features. Click on GX Features. And then under GX Basics, right down here is the panic button. Click on the panic button. You can fully customize this. At the top up here, it explains a little bit about it up here. It says panic button is set to F12 by default. You can also assign your own key or URLs here in the settings menu. Right here is the toggle to enable or disable the panic button. If I wanted to toggle it off, I would toggle that off. To toggle it on, I'll toggle this on. Down here is the links. It will randomly send you to one of these links that you have in here. Opera GX already has these in here for me. I haven't put these in here. They're already there. I could delete any one of them by clicking on one of these X's. I could add my own by clicking on Add. If I click on Add, a plain white box will appear down here, and I can place whatever URL I want in here. I could delete the rest. If I only wanted it to go to one URL, I could delete all the rest of them and just have one in here. But that is how to enable or disable the panic button in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.